This video I'll be going over Shopify, ticker SHOP. So as we can see, price has been rallying up pretty unvolatile, with volume just really lessening. On all these days, it's very uncommon to see such consistent volume like this. From over here, just lots of volume, and just drying up into the upper right side of this cup and handle, you could call it, which is just optimal. So then, to zoom in a bit on the cup and handle, I'd say that currently this is the mid handle, and we're getting a nice little mid cheat breakout from the mid handle. And the cool thing about the mid cheat setup is you can still play the cup and handle off of this setup, but with your original entry being off of this mid cheat breakout, you get a risk-free position, whether it's placing your stop loss at break even, taking partial profits. It really gives you a lot of margin for play, whether risk-free, or you can also add onto the position if it continues to have, constructive price action towards the cup high. You can add on breakout of the cup high, and what you're doing there is, say you have a 2.5% stop loss or a 5% stop loss. If your original position is in 5% profit, that second entry is completely covered in risk if you take your original entry and put it at the same stop loss point. So what you're doing there is creating asymmetrical leverage. So this setup is very cool for that factor. You can create asymmetrical leverage with it pretty consistently. And the volume is just beautiful here, really dry in this consolidation here. I'd call this a kind of a handle in this base, just really drying up and then boom, popping up. And today you can see we've broken out on confirming volume, which is a really good sign to head up into the top of the cup and also break out of the cup. I find that mid cheat setups that work very well are more probable to break out of the overall cup and handle price structure. Anyways, I don't have much else to go over on Shopify. Fundamentals are really strong there. I'm not going to go too into it, but if you want to look into them as well, it's got a very good fundamental profile. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you found value, please subscribe and like, and follow my Twitter at Conrad Trading. Thanks for watching.